morning to everyone. Children, how are you? All are safe at your home? Okay, very nice to hear those words. Okay, children. Before going to class, introducing myself, I am LML GAYATRI, is working as Maths CRT at KGBV, BELLAMKONDA in GUNTUR district. Children, today I am going to tell mathematics class in 8th class textbook. Before going to class, I would like to tell one point. In last year, we have only one textbook. This year, our mathematics textbook is divided into two textbooks. Those are semester 1 and semester 2. In semester 1, already we are completed two chapters. Those are rational numbers and linear equation in two variables. Okay, today we are going to learn new branch of mathematics, that is geometry. The geometry is introduced by the famous mathematician. He is none other than Euclid, Greek mathematician. Okay, children, can I ask some questions? Those are very familiar to you. Children, what is a point? What is a point? Point is a dot. Point is a dot. And it has, point is a dot. It has no dimension. Dimension means we have three dimensions. Those are length, breadth and height. So, write the definition of point in your notebook. Point. A point has no dimensions such as length, breadth and thickness. Length, breadth and thickness. What is a point, children? Point has no dimensions such as length, breadth and thickness. And simply we say a dot. Point is nothing but a dot. A dot is known as point. It shows the just position. It shows the position. Next, it is named by capital letters. Capital letters. Example, capital letters. Example, collection of points in a straight path. Is called a line. It has no endpoints. It has no endpoints and no fixed length. No fixed length. Okay children, what is a line? Line is a collection of points in a straight path. It is called a line. It has no endpoints and no fixed length. Example for line? Yes. What is that? Railway tracks. Railway track. And road. And path of orbit of the plants. Orbit of the plants. Okay children. Next, what is a line segment? What is a line segment? Line segment. Do you have any relation between line and line segment? Yes, line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line. No doubt. It is a part of line. It has two endpoints and fixed length. Straight line is represented like this. What this arrow marks shows? Infinite length of the straight line. Okay. What is a line segment? It is a part of line. It has two endpoints and fixed length. Simply we say that shortest distance between 2 points. How we can say? Shortest distance between 2 points is called a line segment. Is called a line segment. Example. See your surroundings. Yes, edges of your room door and your textbook. Edges of your textbook. Your, what is that? Bench. Okay. These are the examples of line segments. So many examples are there in windows. Okay now. Next, what is a ray? What is a ray? Here line is represented AB above symbol of straight line. Here AB line segment. Okay children, this symbol represent whether it is a line or line segment. Okay, next ray. Examples? Yes, sun rays. The best example is sun rays. Okay. Next. Are you remember all these points, basic points already? We are learning the previous classes. Just I remember you. Okay, Nana? What is a point? Line segment and ray. Okay, children. I will ask some questions very familiar to you. What is a triangle? What is a triangle? Anybody? Yes. Triangle is a closed figure having how many line segments? 3 line segments. Okay. Write down the definition for triangle. A triangle is a simple closed plane. Plane means like this surface. Okay, plane figure made up of 3 line segments. Three line segments. What is the diagram for triangle? Yes. A, B, C. Here AB is one side, BC is another side, and AC is another side. And also this is angles. This is a closed figure. How many angles are there? 3. How many sides are there? 3. What are the major parts of the triangle? 6. What is that? 3 sides and 3 angles. So that's why this closed figure is called as a triangle. Triangle is a simple closed plane figure made up of 3 line segments. Okay, children? Okay, I can ask one question. If a closed figure having 4 line segments, what do we call it as? Yes, you know that? Quadrilateral. What is that? Quadrilateral. You know how to draw or how to construct a quadrilateral? Okay, so today our topic is construction of quadrilaterals. What is that? Construction of quadrilaterals. It is very familiar to our 7th class textbook topic, that is construction of triangles. So children, all of you put the heading construction of quadrilaterals. Put the heading construction of quadrilaterals. Put the heading, all of you. This is the 3rd chapter in our textbook. Construction of quadrilaterals. Qua means quarter. Quarter means 4th part. So this closed figure having 4 line segments. That's why this closed figure we call as quadrilateral. Okay, before going to construction of quadrilaterals, how you can construct? How you can construct a quadrilateral? Yes, with the help of which instruments we are used? box. You know the geometric box? Children, this is the geometrical box supplied by Nischal Laboratory. Okay, by our SSA management. Okay, so in this one we have, see, I show all the instruments. Children, what is this? This is a, generally we call it as scale. In maths, scale or ruler. What is this? Instruments. You know all the instruments, write one more time. Instruments. Geometric box. Instruments. What is this? Ruler or scale. For which purpose it is used? To find length of line segment. I ask one general question. What is the meaning of ruler? Yes, in social studies, ruler means dictator. Yes, in mathematics, yes, it is an instrument. It is used the length of line segment. Okay, children, what is this instrument? Yes, this is a, generally we call it as decoder, but it is called as a protractor. It is called as a protractor, and it is also called as semi-protractor. Why it is called semi-protractor? Half one is remaining is there. So this is the half of the complete protractor. That's why it is a semi-protractor. But which purpose we used? To construct angles or measure of angles. Write down. Protractor. To construct or measure of angles. Okay, children, what is these two? These two are called as set squares. What we call it as set squares. For which purpose we use? To draw parallel or perpendicular lines, or check the given lines are parallel or perpendicular with the help of these two instruments. Okay, set squares. To draw parallel or perpendicular lines. Okay, now I show one iron instrument. What is this? Do you know the name of this instrument? Yes, what is that? Divider. What is this? Divider. What is the use of this instrument? To find the exact length of the line segment without parallel error. Okay, so to find exact length of line segment. Yes, what is your doubt? Yes. So before only I told scale is used to find the length of line segment. But what about this instrument? What is the difference between scale and this instrument? with the help of this instrument, we use it to find the length in exactly. Okay, that is the main difference between these two instruments. Okay, next one is your favorite one. That is a, what is this? Compass. What is this? Compass. Which purpose we use? To draw arcs, circles and angles, etc. Okay, children, do you know the all instruments in the geometry box? Once again I explain. So first one is ruler or scale, use it to length of line segments. Second one is a protractor, it is used to construct or measure of angles. And the next one is set squares. Set squares means two instruments. These are used to draw the parallel or perpendicular lines. Next one, divider. Divider is used to find exact length of line segment. Compass is used to draw arcs, circles, angles, etc. In addition, these all instruments, we have one duster in the geometry box. So, this box is used for the construction of geometrical figures. That's why we call this box as a geometry box. And geometry is very familiar, very similar to our nature. Okay, why? All the constructions, buildings, all are so much buildings, constructions, all are very familiar to the geometric topics. Okay, children, are you not done? Can I rub? Okay, ma'am. This is the brief explanation about geometry box. Now, in this topic, mainly we learn two concepts. Those are, first one, quadrilaterals, and their properties. Second one, constructing a quadrilateral. Constructing a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral construction, in our textbooks, we have 5 methods. Those are when 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Simply, it is called as A. 4 sides, 1 angle. Second one, when 4 sides S, A, S, A, E. Next one. When three sides and two included angles are given. That is yes, A, yes, A, yes. Okay children, these are the 5 methods we use it to construction of quadrilaterals. So in this chapter we know these two concepts. In second concept, these 5 are the methods to construction of a given quadrilateral. So the first one is quadrilateral and their properties. Quadrilateral and their properties. Are you note down? Can I now? Are you note down all these 2 points? Okay. The first point is quadrilaterals and their properties. Okay. Put the heading quadrilaterals and their properties. Okay. Now, children, I can draw one figure. Yes. This is which type of figure? Is it closed or open figure? Yes, closed figure. How many line segments are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These lines are represented first line segment, second, third, fourth. How many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All of you draw in your notebook. Okay. Children, so this is a quadrilateral. It is a simple closed plane figure. Why we write this word plane? We can draw on the plane or a paper. So it is a simple closed plane figure made up of 4 line segments. It is called a quadrilateral. So example, the adjacent figure. What is the name of this quadrilateral? ABCD quadrilateral. What is the name? ABCD quadrilateral. Okay. What are the line segments? Line segments we call as sides. Line segments we call as line segments. Means sides. What are they? AB. Symbol of line segment What is the positions of AB and CD? Both are opposite to each other, like you and me. Yes, opposite to each other. These two sides are called, what is name? Yes, opposite sides. What we call as opposite sides. Yes. See once AB and BC side are positions are like beside of you and your friend sitting on the bench. So these two are called as adjacent sides. What we call as adjacent. You know the difference? Okay, these positions are opposite to each other. So these line segments are called opposite sides. These are each and every these are side by side. So these are called adjacent sides. What about these two angles? These are also opposite angles. What is the opposite angle of C? Yes, angle A. Opposite angle of B? Angle D. What are the adjacent angles of B? Angle C and angle A. Adjacent angle of angle A, angle B and angle D. You know the difference? Adjacent angles and opposite angles. Okay. Now I can join angle A and angle C. What is the name of this line segment? Yes, diagonal. We can draw any more diagonals? Yes, we can join opposite angles of B and D. How many diagonals are formed? 2 diagonals are formed. Yes, diagonals. How many? BD and AC. See children, these are the parts of quadrilateral. Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 angles. 9, 10. 2 diagonals. So total parts of a quadrilateral are 10. So among these 10, any 5 you know, you can construct a quadrilateral. We will learn in next concept how to construct. This is the brief, detailed explanation of a quadrilateral. Okay. Now these are the properties: line segments, angles, diagonals. Then now what is the lengths, angles? Then we can see the properties of the quadrilateral. Okay, now put the heading properties, types of quadrilateral. Okay. Can I write? All of you note down? Okay, ma'am? Okay, children? Yes. Before going to types, I asked one question to all. Okay, children? To check opposite sides are parallel, which instruments we are using in our geometrical box? If the given lines are parallel or perpendicular, which instrument we are used? Which one? Yes, set squares. Measure of each angle, we use protractor. Measure of length of each side, yes, scale. Okay, are you know very well? Very good. Next, types. Types. Children, quadrilateral. Okay, in this quadrilateral, and me. Okay, you are watching the blackboard or watching the video. The positions of you and mobile are parallel to each other. Okay, now one pair of opposite side are parallel. For the representation like this. Okay, ma'am. What we call it as trapezium. Trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Yes, what is your doubt? What about adjacent sides? One pair of adjacent sides are parallel. Yes. What is the name of this figure? See your favorite one, children. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. This diagram is look like a, what is it? Kite. Do you like? Do you like the kites? Okay. One pair of adjacent sides are parallel. Then parallel. That quadrilateral is called as a kite. Okay. Next. Two pairs of here one pair only. What about two pairs? Two pairs means these two. Okay. Two pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Two pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is the first pair and this is the second pair. What is the name of this quadrilateral? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. Here only one pair only parallel. Here to both two pairs are parallel to each other and the length of the side are equal. Children, listen carefully. Okay. Next. Here what about angles? Angles are different. But each vertex in this diagram, each angle is 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. Each vertex angle. Vertex angle is 90 degrees. What happened? What is formed? Yes, your textbook. Yes? Yes or no? Both are parallel to each other. The vertex angle is, what is the angle measurement? 90 degrees. Okay, children? Your textbook is formed. Okay. Draw the picture. What is the name of this picture? Rectangle. rectangle. Next, adjacent sides are equal. Here opposite sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. What happened? What happened now? Yes. All are equal. This line represents equality of the length of the sides. Okay. What form? Yes. Rhombus is formed. These are the diagonals. These are the diagonals. Diagonals are intersecting perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means the length of this point to this point. This part length and this part length is equal. Here this part length and this part length is equal. The diagonals are perpendicularly bisect to each other. What is the name of this figure? Rhombus. What is the name? Rhombus. Rhombus. Okay. In this diagram, each angle is 90 degrees. All sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degrees. Which one is formed? Yes, your favorite one, square. Each vertex angle is 90 degrees. What is formed? Square. This is the all sides are parallel and the lengths also equal. Each angle is 90 degrees. Name is square. Name is a square. Okay, children. This is the types of quadrilaterals. I can explain one more time. Can you write? Okay. See one more. See all of you. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral having 4 sides and 4 angles, vertex angles. In this opposite pair of sides are parallel. It is called a trapezium. Adjacent side is parallel. It is called. This is the special type of the quadrilateral. Yes. In this, those 2 sides are parallel. It is called a parallelogram. It is called a parallelogram. In parallelogram, each vertex angle is 90 degrees. Prati angle 90 degrees. Then it is called a rectangle. In this parallelogram, all sides are equal and the diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. That is called as a rhombus. In rhombus, each angle is 90 degrees. It is called as a square. These are the types of quadrilaterals. How many quadrilaterals we know? The trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square and kite. Okay. Using these properties, in the next concept, we will construct the quadrilaterals. Can I ask one question to all? Is every rectangle a parallelogram? Every rectangle a parallelogram. Are you understand the question? Yes or no? Yes. Every rectangle is a parallelogram. First parallelogram, each angle is 90 degrees, then it is a rectangle. But every parallelogram is not a rectangle. Okay. In the same way, every square is a rhombus, but every rhombus is not a square. In the same way, every parallelogram is a trapezium, but every trapezium is not a parallelogram. Every rhombus is a parallelogram, but every parallelogram is not a rhombus. You know the the questions all are same only, but we are very confused. But we know the properties of quadrilaterals. All these questions are very easy. Very happily we will explain. Okay, ma'am? Can I run this? Okay. Next, the second concept, construction of quadrilaterals. Put the heading. Construction of quadrilaterals. Construction of quadrilaterals. Which instrument we use for the construction? Geometry box. How many methods we know? 5. Okay. Are you remember how to construct 60 degrees angle? Are you remember? Okay, I will explain one more time. First, with the help of ruler, we can draw the line segment. AB. You can draw the line segment. AB. Next, with the help of compass, you put your pencil and these two needle and pencil are touches the plane. Okay, you set like this. Then you can take any of the radius as you like. You can draw the one arm. Okay, you can draw the one arm. And don't change this one. We can draw again another arm which is cut the previous. Join. Join this point with the help of scale. Okay, this angle is exactly 60 degrees. Can I check? Where we put this needle? Here the point A. This line on the pen. Okay, we have two measurements, 0 to 180, 0 to 180. So, like this you can keep the angle is 60 degrees. Okay, angle is 60 degrees. What about 120? You can change, don't change this one and also cut like this. You can expand this arm. Don't move the distance between these two points. Okay, you can remember how we can draw. First we draw the line segment. You can take any of radius and draw the, or don't change this one. And keep like this, you can cut. Then join with the help of scale. Expand and you can also cut. This is the 120 degrees angle. Okay, already we learned in the 6th class. Okay, now for this construction we can write the steps, general steps. Okay, what are the general steps of construction of quadrilaterals? First we can write. Okay, general steps. General construction steps. General construction steps. Every diagram, first we draw the rough. We will go to any function or anyone. First we prepare ourselves. That is the rough. So first step is draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of the figure. Second step, if the given measurements are not enough, how many measurements we need for a construction? 5. In the problem, 3 only give or 4 only give. If the measurements are not enough, then analyze the figure. Analyze the figure. Try to use special properties. Try to use special properties of the figure to obtain the required measurements. So, special properties means, yes, we have types of quadrilaterals we already learned. Now, what are the rectangles, squares? What are the special properties in rectangle? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So, that's why those properties we can take, then we can draw the measurement. Next, third one, draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. You know how to construct a triangle in the 7th class. Okay, triangle with 3 of the 5 measurements. And use the other measurements. To locate 4th vertex. First, we draw the triangle with the help of 3 measurements in the given 5 measurements, and use remaining 2 to locate the 4th vertex. Then the 4th step is describe the steps of construction in detail. Children, are you understand? These are the general steps. See, once in every method of the construction of a quadrilateral, we follow these 4 steps. figure. First we check the figure. Which figure is given? You can analyze. Analyze the figure. Try to use special properties. Is it that figure belongs to any special property like a parallelogram, trapezium, rectangle, scale, like that? Then you can obtain the required. What are the remaining measurements you can obtain using the special properties? Draw the triangle with the 3 or 5 measurements and use the other measurements to locate fourth vertex. Okay. Describe the steps of construction in detail. Okay, children. Can I have this? Are you understood? Are you not down? These are the general steps for the construction of the quadrilateral. Okay. Hope children, all of you understood the concept. Okay. Can I give the assignment to home? Okay. Right. Can I have? Today what we learn? Yes. What is a quadrilateral? What are the parts of the quadrilateral? What are the types of the quadrilateral? What are the general steps of the construction of a quadrilateral? And also about geometric box. And also about, learn about geometric box. Okay, children? So, note down the homework. Fill the table in page number 62. Fill the table in page number 62. And next one. What is a quadrilateral? What is a quadrilateral? What are the different types of a quadrilateral? What is a quadrilateral? What are the different types of a quadrilateral? Write the different types. Sorry. Write the different types of quadrilaterals. Next one. Write general steps of. Write general steps to construct. Write general steps to construct a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, ma'am? All of you note down. Fill the table in page number 62 in your textbook. Second one, what is a quadrilateral? Write the different types of quadrilaterals. Third one, write the general steps to construct a quadrilateral. Children, hope all of you understood and note down all the points in your notebook and write the assignment. Okay, children, take care yourself. Thank you all for giving.